to set up Eufy Doorbell Chime. First of all, open the Eufy Security app and go to your 2K battery doorbell settings. After that, tap on Indoor Chime and select Eufy Doorbell Chime. Then plug the USB dongle into your home base. Once done, tap "I've plugged in a USB dongle" to continue. Next, assemble the chime's power supply and plug it into a wall outlet. Now press and hold the sync button on the chime for 2 seconds until you hear a ding. After hearing the ding, tap "Heard Ding" in the app. Finally, check the chime light. If it turns solid blue, you're connected. So this is how to set up the Eufy Doorbell Chime. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.